What's going on, my Merchant Wordians? Tommy here from Merchant Words, and you may notice some new filters in Classic Search, Emerging Trends, and ASIN Plus, and you noticed right. So I'm just going to go over some use cases here for these wonderful new filters. So the first use case is going to be for advertising, so for sponsored ads. So say that I'm selling a gaming chair, and then I want to find out some keywords that aren't being advertised on currently. So what I can do is come over to the new sponsored ads filter and then filter, in this case, I did 0 to 3. You can do 0, you can do 0 to 5, whatever you'd like. And then I also did results 0 to 1,000, so lower competition. And you can even filter by the other new filter reviews and trying to find the page one that has a least amount of reviews there. So coming down here, something that stood out to me was if I am selling a gaming chair, maybe I could use this one here, small gaming chairs for small spaces. It only has a search volume of 300, but it is trending up. So maybe it would behoove me to go ahead and add this into one of my sponsored ad campaigns and target that and keep checking back on it. And there's tons of other long tail keywords here that kind of just bubble up to the top here after you do hit these filters. Again, the new filters here are results, sponsored ads, and reviews. So go ahead and get after that one. And then the other use case here is product research. So what I like to do, you guys know I'm an Amazon seller. What I like to do is search by our asterisk search or our everything search. And all you have to do that is type an asterisk into the search bar, click go, click, the go arrow there. And then all of the keywords that we have collected data for that current month will show up there. And you can go ahead and filter down and find that needle in a haystack. So before I filtered and whittled this down, just in the US alone, we had over 100 million keywords. So now I got it down to about 1.2 million. And so for product research, I want to find something that does not have a lot of competition, a keyword space that does not have too much competition, I should say. It's just some, but not too much. So I started off with 0 to 2 sponsored ads, 0 to 4,800 reviews on that page one, and the results of 100 to 500. Now, you guys could go ahead and switch this around and play with it, but this is what I did. And then what I would do is just kind of scroll down here and look at some interesting ideas. And then if I find something, maybe I'll go ahead and just add it to a collection and save it for later. And, just like that, like I've showed you before, you can watch the collections video there. But this video is on filters. So yeah, those are the use cases, the wonderful use cases for our new filters. And then also you can access these new filters on emerging trends. And then also on ASIN Plus, you can now filter by sponsored ads. So I hope this helped, guys. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the blue chat button below or hello@merchantwords.com. Till next time, stay awesome and be awesome.